Welcome to another segment of this video series. So in the previous video I actually found the inverse of two linear functions and also a rational function, right? So I'm going to continue on the rational function. So let's continue with looking at these steps over here. Let me minimize this. Alright, so now we have fx equal negative 2x plus 1 over 3x minus 7. So by now you should realize that these procedures remain the same. So the first step, you're going to replace fx with y, right? Straightforward. Y equal negative 2x plus 1 over 3x minus 7. Achieve that step already. Step 2, switch x and y. All you're going to do is switch them around like this. So where we have y, we're going to have x equal negative 2y, because we switch them around, so this becomes y, plus 1 over 3y minus 7. So this step has been achieved. Step 3 now says we should solve for y, right? I normally put this over a 1 because x over 1 is the same thing as x, and we carry out a cross multiplication. So we multiply x by 3y minus 7. Put that in bracket. 3y minus 7 equal 1 times negative 2y plus 1. And if we should carry out our distributive operation now, we'll get this being 3xy minus 7x. This will be equal to negative 2y plus 1. So our next move now is to get all the y's on one side of the equation. So we can either group them on the right hand side or group them on the left hand side. But let's bring all the y's over on the left hand side here. So we need to get this negative 7x across that equal sign to the right, and then get this negative 2y across the equal sign on the left. Right, so that will become 3xy plus 2y. And pay close attention now. This 2y was once negative, right? So there was a negative 2y. But due to the fact that we moved it across the equal sign, it changes to positive. And this will become 7x plus 1. And if you look closely again, this 7x was negative, but it changes to positive because we bring it over the equal sign, right? So that's what we have. Moving along now. So if you notice, all the y terms are on one side. So we are now going to factorize this and factor out a y. So y, open bracket, 3x, because 3x times y would give you back 3xy, plus 2, because 2 times y give you back the original 2y, equal 7x plus 1. Alright, so we got rid of certain values now. So let's move closer. But if you look right here now, the y and 3x plus 2 are being multiplied together. How can we get rid of 3x plus 2 to have y by itself? We divide by 3x plus 2. Balance the equation by dividing this side as well by the same thing, 3x plus 2. These will cancel, and we are now left with y equal 7x plus 1 over 3x plus 2. So we have solved for y. Achieved. Step 4 now simply says we should replace y with f inverse x. So f inverse x is equal to 7x plus 1 over 3x plus 2. So all of this right here is the inverse of this original function. And it's that straightforward. So you can move through all the videos and just solidify your understanding with this. So I'm going to conclude this inverse video right here and move on to another aspect of the objectives that I outlined. So thanks for watching. Keep on watching to build your mathematical IQ. Thank you very much.